previous videos that once you know how to control your clipper, move your hands, you are good to go. Watch how my hand is going, and make sure you are brushing down the hair. Understand? Make sure you are brushing down the hair. Anywhere you remove the hair, remove it again. Take your time. Barbing is all about patience. Take your time, texture it very well. Don't let where you are texturing to pass the line that I drew. Now you turn your hand downward to skin it. Now I want you to ask me, why didn't I do it like this from the beginning? The reason is because if you start spinning hair when there is hair on the head, then it will weaken the blade. So the first thing you need to do is to first carry it up, then you turn your hand downward and make sure that it's still on skin. The blades are well joined. Understand? That is the first one. The second one, now look, you put it on low cut blade. You open the blade, carry the gear down. If you carry the gear down, you follow it, texture, you don't let it to pass the other line. You texture it very well. Texture it very well so that the blending will be smooth and clean. Understand? So texture it very well, follow it accordingly. Please, if you are finding this video helpful, you know what to do. Subscribe, turn your notification bell on, comment, share, invite your friends to come and learn. This era that we are, we know how country is. You need to have a skill at hand. That's why I'm coming out here to put it out. Time gone are the days when you'll be going to different salons that you want to go and research an apprentice. Anything you want to learn is now digital. Go online and have time and learn it. Now the third one I told you is going to be skin. Step 1, you close the blade. Now before we do that, I forgot to tell you that you put it on skin. Remember the first guideline that we created and the second guideline, which is low cut, that we created as well. There is line in between them. That's why you have to put it on skin bag to remove the line, the first guideline lines. Then you put it on semi low cut, as in the middle between the low cut and the skin, and clean up the second guideline that you created, which is on low cut when you open the blade. Hope you are getting what I'm saying. If you are not understanding, please ask your question in the comment section. I'm taking it gently, slowly and steady. Now the third one that I told you out, we are going to put it towards step 1. It's going to be on skin. The blades are going to be joined together. Then you put it on step 1. Watch what is open. Now it's joined together. Texture it very well. Don't let it to pass that line. Understand? Don't let it to pass that line. Follow it accordingly. Texture it. Understand? This is tutorial purpose. That is why I'm taking slowly, because I want us to be perfect on one. A lot of people have been commenting that I should do that, this kind of hairstyle, that kind of hairstyle. I've done a lot of afro haircuts, but I want to do this last one, make it extra practical so that you understand it and be perfect on one before we move to another one. But thank God for the comment I've been seeing. A lot of people, they are learning a lot, and I give glory to God. I'm not perfect. Me too. I'm working towards perfection. It's only God that is perfect. So no one is an island. No one knows it all. And if you know something, make sure you share to others. Don't die with what you know. Understand? Don't die with what you know. Try to create a legacy. That's why I created this channel, to make sure that people are learning. A lot of people have been coming close to my area that they want to know. I told them I don't have that time like that. It's better to be putting it out here. Understand? So after that, this one now, you put it on low cut. You open the blade. It's still on step 1. Look at it. You open the blade. Watch what I'm doing. Don't let the line to go inside. See the way I'm flipping it small. Can you see it? See the way I'm flipping it small. Take it easy. Barbing is all about calculation and patience. Remember what I told you. I've done a lot of videos. I've told you everything. It's all about calculation and patience. Understand? See the way I'm flipping it a little. Blend it very well. Blend it. Take it easy. Watch what I'm doing. Look closely. Take your time and watch this video. Now it's still on low cut blade. See see the one fading it down, see the one fading it down. Don't put your hand inside, because if you put your hand too much, you create another line and you start blending that one again, and the haircut will not look the way you wanted it. After bringing it down, you still flip it up small to remove those outer layers, all those outgrowth ones, and make sure you are brushing the hair. Once you are blending hair and brushing it, you will be seeing the neatness where that is not well blended. You will see it clearly and you blend it very well. See it. After I've done it, take your time to bring it down again, bring it down again, slow and steady, bring it down again. See, you can see what I see. Look closely, you can see something here, right? The second guideline, which is low cut, and the third guideline, which is step 1 low cut, there is line in between. We are going to remove that. Just watch. Remove the step 1, put it on low cut, open it, see how put it on low cut, see how I'm brushing it. See it. Once you can hold clipper properly, there is nothing you cannot barb. I like encouraging people. See, and if you are blending it down, make sure you are blending from that tip. Don't go inside, so that you will not create another line. Barbing is simple. Whoever that is saying that barbing is hard, that person does not want you to grow. Barbing is simple, and if you follow my tutorial, follow my instructions, you'll be among those people that have been testifying. A guy sent me a message. Watch what I'm doing now. The guy sent me a message. After that, look at that line that I'm telling you. You see, and there is lines there. You put it on low cut. Remember, it's on low cut. You put it on low cut. You blend it small. Take your time. As you are doing it, be brushing it. Watch the hair now. You see how the hair is going. See how the blend is coming. Look at what I told you before. I told you that if you are creating a guideline and you are not texturing very well, when you are done blending, it will not look nice. But if you texture it very, very well, when you don't blend it, it's going to look nice. Watch it now. Can you see it? Please don't be stingy. After that, see the way you want to trim off the overgrowth hair from the side that you blended. It's on low cut. Take it slowly and trim it down. See the way my hand is moving. Rather, see the way it's moving. Trim it down. Please, if you are finding this video helpful, if you know that I'm trying my best too, please subscribe. Turn your notification bell there, so that whenever I upload the video, you want to see it first. Watch what I'm doing. Share, comment anything, give us a thumbs up. Then YouTube, that thumbs up will notify YouTube that we are doing something educational, and our channel will be shown to people. Now, what I'm doing now is finishing works. It's finishing work that I'm doing. Look at it, it's finishing work that I'm doing. So you put it on stain to make sure you clean everywhere properly. After that, you are good to go. Now start carving. Take your time. Please subscribe. I'm begging to understand, as I'm helping you to help you by subscribing, but it's your choice to subscribe. They don't force somebody, understand. But if you are learning something and this video is helping you, subscribe. Let's go now. We want to carve it. Now I told you I've already started carving before my tripod. I set my tripod. Remember, I told you if you want to carve, make sure the blades are well joined, so that it will not pain the customer at all. It will not pain the customer at all. And if you want to carve hair, start from the vertical. I've done the video already. I've made a video about it. Go to my playlist, you see the video on how to carve hairline. You start from the vertical side, not the horizontal. Go and watch the video. Go to my playlist and watch those videos. Most things that is in your mind that you want to ask me, I've already done it. Go to my playlist, you see it. You see how people are testifying. But it's not that I'm good like that though. I'm not the best. God is the only one that is good and the best. So please, once you are carving the side gears, carve it the way it is. Except it's your client that told you that, okay, please, I want to shorten it. But if it not tell you, carve it the way it is. Make sure the blade, the focus first that the blade is well joined. Now when you are shaving under here, this is where people have bumps. This place is very, very sensitive. If your blade, if the blade is not well joined, he will give the person a cut, and once he has a cut there, bumps start developing. Understand? All these things I'm going to teach you people and how to avoid it, but make sure that your blade is well joined. See, if I like, let me scrub it, it will not pain him because it's well joined. And I've done a video on how to set your blade to avoid your customer complaint that is pending. The video is in the playlist, go and watch it. I've done a lot of video for people and you see comments. Now if you want to brush down the side gears, you put it on low cut, open the blade, brush it, follow it, brush it, and make sure you're using your face brush to clean it off. Understand? Brush it very well. Then if the customer later told you that it's still the side gears is still much, you should bring it a bit again, you put it on semi low cut, in between low cut and skin. Let the opening be in the middle. Understand? Hope you understand what I'm saying, the way I'm detailing it. Please, if you find this video helpful, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, turn your notification bell, because you're going to learn a lot. This my channel is basically for haircut tutorial. Very soon I'll start recommending the kind of haircut that you need to put. Very soon I'll start telling you what to do to avoid dandruff permanently. I'm going to tell you what to do that will make your hair not to go inside, like not having bad hair. Look at how the hair is clean now. This is practical, this is raw, very neat, no editing, no special camera or whatever. It's my phone and you see the phone itself is not even that clear. So once you know how to do this thing, my prayer is that, thank God that almost 50 people now, they are testifying that since they have started watching my tutorial, they have improved. One guy told me that he registered for barbing tutorial physically. He spent 7 months there. It was only twice that he has been giving clipper to barb and his children hair skin. He told me that he has stopped going there, that he downloaded all my videos, and since he has started watching it, the way I'm explaining it, that he has started improving. Besides, the way I'm detailing it here, if you are here physically with you, I might not even have that time to detail it. A lot of people are come, but I don't have that time. That's why I'm trying to put it out there. Let people learn. Create legacy. Don't die with what you know. You that is watching it now and you are finding it helpful, try to tell others too. Let them come and learn. Understand? You have to, this is oil sheen, you know what it is, just to make the hair shiny. Understand? After that, I also applied, what is it called, hair mousse, just to make the shining strong, let it hold the hair. This hair mousse help if you want to do dread. Understand? So that if you rub it and roll it, it will stand, it will strong. Understand? But not that you just do it now, it will strong, something, often something. Understand? So this is it. My parents, if I can do this too, you too can do it. If you follow my principles, follow the instruction that I'm giving you, you will come and testify as well. Check out my videos, go to my playlist and see what people are saying. I will be like, God, how many is my body, how many is me? Understand? So please, if you find this video helpful, be part of this family. See, if you know that you love barbing, and you want to sabi, let me use Nigerian pidgin, you want to sabi, subscribe to my channel, follow me,